In this session, we are going to study about potential energy of a system of charges. We know that when we do work on a body, it gets stored as potential energy of the body. Suppose we have to make a system of positive charges. When we try to add a new charge to the system, other charges will try to repel it away. So we have to do work to add that charge to the system. Similarly, the work done to bring all the charges to the system gets stored as potential energy of the system. So we can define potential energy of a system of charges as the work done in bringing the charges from infinity to their positions. Now let us try to make a system of two charges q1 and q2 separated by distance r12. We have to bring q1 to A. For that no work is needed because there is no force of attraction or repulsion at A. So no work is needed to bring q1 to A. So we can write work done to bring q1 to A is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Now at q2 there is potential due to A. Its value is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 by r12. Let us take it as V1. V1 is the potential at B. It means that it is the work done to bring plus 1 coulomb from infinity to B. Work done to bring plus 1 coulomb is V1. So work done to bring Q2 to B is equal to V1 into Q2. That is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 by R12 into Q2, which is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 by R12. This is equation number 2. Now let us sum up the work done from equation 1 and work done from equation 2. So the total work done is equal to 0 plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 by R12. That is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 by R12. Work done gets stored as potential energy. So potential energy of the system of two charges q1 and q2 separated by a distance r12 is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 q2 by r12. This is the equation for potential energy of a system of two charges q1 and q2 separated by a distance r12 and placed in air or free space. Now let us try to make a system of three charges q1 at A, q2 at B and q3 at C. We have already made a system of two charges at q1 at A and q2 at B. Now we have to make it a system of three charges by bringing a charge q3 to C. Let V2 be the potential at C. V2 is equal to potential due to q1 plus potential due to q2. The potential due to q1 is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 by the distance between them r13 plus potential due to q2 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q2 by distance between q2 and q3 r23. Let us take the 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 outside. So V2 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 by r13 plus q3 by r23. Potential is the work done to bring plus 1 coulomb. So the work done to bring q3 is equal to V2 into q3. So we get 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 q3 by r13 plus q2 q3 by r23, which is equation number 3. From equation 1, 2 and 3 we have the work done to bring q1, work done to bring q2 and work done to bring q3. Add those equations together, we will get the total work done. Total work done is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 q2 by r12 plus q1 q3 by r13 plus q2 q3 by r23. Work done gets stored as potential energy. So potential energy of the system of three charges equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 q2 by r12 plus q1 q3 by r13 plus q2 q3 by r23.